everyone, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on X with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Intel. This is ticker INTC. Now, Intel, as we know, is part of the semiconductor index, and the SMH bounced off of the 21-day exponential period moving average today, closed above the 8-day, and closed near the high of the day with a nice pickup in volume, trading at higher than average volume today. And so I certainly have a lot of semiconductor stocks on my list for members at Stock Market Mentor. One of the ones that I'm looking at tonight is Intel, INTC. Now we can see Intel held above the 50-day moving average even throughout the recent market volatility, and today closed above the 8-day and 21-day exponential period moving averages after some pretty ugly closes underneath the past couple of sessions. As you can see, I've drawn a clear downward sloping trend line with resistance each and every spot on this trend line. Resistance there, resistance here, and even today, we bumped up against that clear resistance level. And so what I want to see from Intel is a clear move through and above that downward sloping trend line coming on volume. And if that can close above that downward sloping trend line, and ideally do it on volume, then I think you could issue a trade on this stock with a stop down around the 8-day and 21-day exponential period moving averages. Now, eventually, of course, you'd want to move that stop as the trade works in your favor, but I think that's a pretty good starting point for an entry here on Intel if we continue to see good strength in the semiconductors. So that's just one of many things we're watching tonight over at StockMarketMentor.com. I hope that was helpful. Give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades. I'll see you next time.